finally arrived at the hidden base in the mountains. Shut the helicopter down. Be careful. They could be anywhere. And this is all that's left. Alright. Let's contact him.
Report for me.
Yes, sir, I do.
Excellent. Give me your full report at the moment. Do not leave out any details, please.
Of course. Well, apparently I had an idea that I was going to seek diplomacy with the Order of the Dark Blood, but unfortunately when I went over there in the helicopter, I found out that they killed our former member, Huntress, like I said before, and then they attempted to kill me as I was making my retreat, and then I found out that when I landed back at the HQ, they were actually underground. They were already there, blew their way into the underground hideout, took it over, took out all the grunts, and then they started making their way up to me. Then I just got the F out of Dodge before they could get to me.
Oh, how unfortunate. McCabe, I also need you to go take...
Heck? Did we just get cut off? How did this happen? Boss! What is that? What is that? Whoa! What the hell? What was that? What was that? What the... Is that my helicopter? Has it been hijacked?
Sorry, Michael, but this time we had the outflank and outflush. We saw you trying to escape, and we are here to stop you as because.
You will never defeat me, Dark Bloods! I will take you all down one at a time!
I'd like to see you try.
Ugh! I'll show you guys! Get my weapons out. Quick! Let's move! Ah! Ah! So it came out immediately. He's duking it out. Oh my god, this is an intense fight! Ah! Die! Are you gonna take me down? Die! Now, let's escape. Quickly, 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 quickly. There's a hidden helicopter. There it is! Come on, Cur. Quickly, 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 quickly. Get in there. Come on! There we go. Yes. Now, let's start it up. Uh-oh. No. Come on! Come on, why isn't it starting? Come on! What has happened to my helicopter?
Honestly thought we would let you get away that easily. Our front attack was just a decoy. We disabled your helicopter or escape route. But you were busy with everyone else. So don't even think about it.
What? What have you done to me? What do you want?
We want you to come with us to have a little chat with someone.
Wait a minute. Is this another one of your traps? Are you trying to kill me?
No, that's not what we intend to do.
Okay, fine. I'll come with you, grunts. I surrender.
Okay, glad you're down here, friend. We've caught up. We're escorting
Okay, roger that. Landing immediately. How does it feel to have the helicopter hijacked are the ones you bombed.
Oh, shut up. You better watch yourself, little one. I'll drop a bomb on you again with that thing. Just watch yourself. So what the heck am I supposed to do now? Does this thing work?
Go ahead. It works. Press the button and speak.
Very well. Alright. Here goes nothing.
Hello, Target.
Legacy. My admiral adversary.
Good evening. You look well.
Oh,
What happened?
shut up! Your grunts really did a number on me, and this ain't the first time I got attacked. But I think your little grunt over here to the left of me crossed the line when he took my frickin' helicopter.
Oh, don't worry. We're just gonna have some calm negotiations, okay?
This better be.
Don't do anything out of the,
Hey, don't look at me, man. I don't have no weapons on me.
Good. Now, first things first. You're going to be working for me from now on.
And why the hell would I do that?
Well, you've been doing it anyway.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Wait. Whatever happened to my boss? Whatever happened to my boss, Giovanni? Did you do something to him?
Funny thing you should say. Real quick, how do you think we found you so quickly? How do you think we knew exactly where you were? Who do you think sent you to the exact same places you kept getting attacked?
No.
Oh.
No. That's not true. That's impossible. You're Giovanni?
You got it.
No.
Now that we have that established and out of the way, you will be working for me in exchange for something.
How could you do this to me, man? I built Team Rocket for a reason. This is my life. How could you try and attempt to take it from me?
Now, would you calm down? I've done this for a very good reason, believe it or not.
Why?
See, the thing is, I've recently come into a bit of a problem.
Problem?
And that problem's quite big. Big enough to take both of us out.
And here I thought there was no one more powerful than you or me.
I did too. That was until I set my eyes on a burning town of mine. Completely erased.
Do you know who this new adversary is, by the way?
I have some helpful hints going around, and my scouts are digging up some info. But he's not one to be trifled with. That's why we're just going to go and push his buttons.
But what do you want me for?
Now, you and me are going to join up. And we're going to form a new group.
Is this a trick?
No. No trick. I'm dead serious.
Oh, really?
You and me will be forming the new gin.
And what is that?
It's the new generation, the new power.
And is this just going to be involving you and me or nah?
It's going to be involving all of us.
And what do you mean by all?
You thought I just was in control of one team? No. I'm in control of 6 different teams, Target.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Holy...
I have a whole empire.
So,
No.
let me ask one question. If I'm gonna help you take down this adversary, what's in it for me?
I'll give you your base back.
And the helicopter?
All yours.
And will you be able to manufacture more helicopters and more destructive devices so that way we can take down this adversary of ours? Huh?
Done and already done.
Very well. Then I will take up on this. Can you tell your grunts to stand down from trying to harm me, please?
Very well. Y'all can stand down, but make sure to keep an eye on him.
Oh, don't you worry. I tell you what, man, if you know me, I've never broken a promise in my entire life.
Welcome to the new gin, target.
Yeah.
Now, I must be going. Our adversary isn't going to wait around.
Very well. I will make plans to help you very soon. See you soon, new boss.
Peace.
See ya. Well, what do you think of this? Now we're actually teaming up. Now we gotta take down this new adversary. But the question is, who is it? I cannot wait to find out, and when I find him, I'm going to kick his ass.